Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Milwaukee versus the Dewalt power drill. So these are both the brushless cordless models, and we're going to be putting them up against each other to see which one performs best. And if you guys are in the market for a new drill, hopefully we'll make your decision a little bit easier on which one to buy. I know these two are kind of the two main ones that people like to talk about and that a lot of professionals buy. So hopefully this is a good test and it gives you guys some helpful info, and yeah, it just makes your decision a little bit easier. So you can see both of these are the brushless model, and we've got a full charge on each one. We're going to be doing the test with the speed turned all the way up and the torque all the way up. So you can see here, speed's all the way up, torque's all the way up. And like I said, they both have full charges, and we're going to be starting off with a 5/16 wood bit. We're going to be using this in the Dewalt and the Milwaukee, and then we're going to be using the 1.5 inch. This is the largest wood bit that I have, and we're just going to be drilling some test holes and seeing which one, if either of them performs better than the other, or if they're pretty much the same. And then, you know, I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy each one of these, and you can kind of pick and choose from there. So yeah, we'll get right into it. We'll do the Milwaukee first with the 5/16 bit. And if you guys are wondering how to use these tools, if you're new to tools or new to, you know, DIY stuff, or, you know, just getting into doing your own stuff, then I have videos on these tools that are on my channel, and also many other tools. And I also have tools on how to, you know, I also have videos on how to fix a bunch of stuff. So if you're interested, be sure to subscribe, check out the channel, and yeah, hopefully you could learn something. All right, so we'll start off with the Milwaukee 5/16, turned all the way up. Okay, so there's the Milwaukee. Now we'll switch over to Dewalt. And I'm trying to apply even pressure, you know, press the trigger in firmly, you know, the same time. Keep it pressed in firmly on each drill so there's no bias. I honestly do not care which one wins. Dewalt is my brand. That's what I have. All my tools are Dewalt. But like I said, I do not care. If the Milwaukee performs better, then great. If the Dewalt does, then great. All right, so here's the Dewalt with the 5/16 bit. And I'll let you guys be the judge. You know, if you want to go back and look at the video, see which one went in easier, which one went in better. So now we'll do the 1.5 inch bit with the Milwaukee. Okay. Make sure I'm not going to catch any of my table. Okay, there's the 1.5 inch Milwaukee. And now I think this will be the good test. So we'll keep our eye on this one because this is the bigger bit. This should tell us which drill is performing better. Okay, so now we have the 1.5 inch on the Dewalt brushless. And I mean, honestly, you could kind of tell this one definitely more powerful, definitely went through quicker. I mean, you could go back and watch the video, but this one was definitely better. So I'm not sure of the price difference. I'll put a link in the description for each one. and, you know, let you guys be the judge of that. But like, you know, this one does have 3 speeds. It's a bigger drill, so I'm assuming this one's a little bit more expensive. But maybe not, maybe this one is. And, you know, in that case, this one would definitely be the better buy. But again, you know, however often you're drilling 1.5 inch, you know, holes in wood, is it worth the extra couple seconds you save if this one is much more money? But yeah, check the link in the description on how much each one costs. And yeah, you guys can make your own decision. But as far as the 1.5 inch, I'd say this one definitely wins. So yeah, guys, if you enjoy this video, like it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, be sure to subscribe. Like I said, check out my other videos on all these tools. I have a whole bunch of videos out, so be sure to subscribe, check those out. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.